Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the Brother MFCJ5910DW, and we're going to be cleaning the print head on this. If you have choppy prints or your print quality just isn't there anymore, you're having an issue with your print quality in general, this is a video that's going to be able to help you out. Okay, so you're gonna need a few things before you start, and then you're gonna have to go through a couple of different methods to get this prepared. But the first thing you're gonna want to have is a print head cleaning kit. You'll be able to find that in the description below. It's gonna come with the kit. It's gonna come with the syringe, cleaning solution, and everything you're gonna need to clean out this printer. So you're going to want to make sure to go down in the description below and get that. Also, we are missing some ink on this particular printer, but I'm also going to leave a link in the description below for some new ink, because if you're running your ink dry, that is what could potentially be causing your issue here. But I'm going to leave a link to that in the description below. So if you need to pause the video even right now just to get those things, and we can go ahead and get right into the rest of the repair. Alright, so you're going to want to make sure that you open this up here. You're going to want to make sure that your print head is loose like this, okay? And what you're going to do is, you're going to do that by turning it on, going in and making sure that it's starting to print or do any type of movement. You're going to open this up, you're going to hold this print head in place, and then you're going to go ahead and shut it off while you're holding on to it. Then you're going to want to get a folded up piece of paper towel just like this. You're going to put it right down in there, and you're going to go ahead and slide your print head right over. Okay, so once your print head is over here and you've got a paper towel under it, then you can begin to work on the print head nozzles, which are right down here. You should remove all your ink, and that is really going to be the next step. You can leave this open or you can close it up. Alright, so once you're at this point, again, you're going to want to have your syringe kit. And I would highly recommend, if you didn't get it at this point, to stop the video and go and get that. It's going to be specifically for this printer here, and you're going to have everything you need. You can do this multiple times, but you're really just going to grab your nozzle here, and you are sticking it right over the syringe. You're putting it right over the nozzle there. You're pushing it all the way in with your fingers till the very end. And you could even hold it in there like this, and you're really just pushing this end of it now. Because this is such a high-priced printer, I'm going to go ahead and push all the solution that's in the syringe into the nozzle. Okay, if you could see there, that's all of it. Also, make sure you have a towel here so you can just dry off any excess that comes out. Again, a lot of links in the description below. There's a lot of resources for you. So the next one is going to be yellow, and you're really just going to put your syringe right over that as well. And you're going to do the same thing. On this one, I'm going to use about half, because usually yellow doesn't have too many issues. And you can kind of tell with the amount of pressure you're having to put on the syringe whether one of them needs them more or not. And in the instructions for the print head cleaning solution or kit, it'll also tell you to kind of warm up the solution, so that really helps as well. So I'm actually pushing the whole thing right through there. Ooh, had some squirt out. So again, remember to have a towel to clean stuff up for after. I'm going to speed through the rest of this just because it's kind of repetitive, and we're just going to be doing cyan and magenta next. So just know that you've got 4 nozzles: black, yellow, cyan, and magenta, and that's really all you need to focus on. Alright, so that's really all there is to it. You're going to want to make sure that you go through all the steps. It's very simple. You really, once you have that print head cleaning syringe kit, that's what's going to make all of this really easy. It's really not a difficult thing to do. I recommend anybody try it. So really, you're just going to need to purchase all of the things that you need for this project, and you can go ahead and do it. Now, of course, while you're doing all of this, you're going to want to make sure it's off, and I've made sure that it was off this whole time. But again, just go step by step along with whatever instructions I gave, and you'll have your print quality back to normal in no time. Now, if for whatever reason this ends up not working, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for this printer and maybe a few others that are similar to this printer. And also, if you were wanting to shop for any other printers in general, just an HP or a different printer, if this didn't work, I'm going to include my website, bestprinterstech.com, for you to go ahead and check that out and see if there's anything that interests you, any printers that you would want to purchase. And there's also going to be some links all the way at the bottom of the description, kind of just to support the channel. If you saw anything there that would benefit you to subscribe to or to sign up for, I'm going to have that, and that would greatly benefit this channel. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.